In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business Facebook page from your profile or Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to spin up a professional Facebook page for your brand. I recommend doing this on a desktop browser for the clearest view, and make sure you're logged into the Facebook profile that will own or manage the page. First, head to Meta Business Suite. You can type the Business Suite address into your browser or open Facebook, click the menu, and choose the Business or Professional Tools option to launch Business Suite. If you manage more than one business, check the top left area to confirm you're in the correct business before you proceed. Once Business Suite is open, look for the Settings option. It's typically in the left-hand sidebar and often represented with a small gear icon. Click that to open your business settings. The layout can change slightly from time to time, so if you don't see it right away, scroll the sidebar or expand the menu. This section is where you control people, assets, and permissions for your business, so it's the right place to create and manage pages. Inside Settings, find and click on Pages. This view shows all pages connected to your business. If you already manage pages, you'll see them listed here. If not, the list will be empty. Don't worry either way, you're exactly where you need to be to add a new one. Now click the Add button. You'll usually see a few choices like adding an existing page or requesting access. For a brand new page, choose Create a Page. This is the option that starts a fresh page owned by your business, which gives you full control over settings, admins, and future assets like ad accounts and catalogs. After you click Create a Page, Facebook will guide you through on-screen prompts. You'll be asked for basics like your page name and category. Pick a clear name that matches your business and choose the most accurate category so your page is easier to discover. You can refine details later, so don't stress about perfection right now. Getting the page created is the key step. If you don't see Business Suite, try a desktop browser, refresh the page, or make sure your Facebook app is updated. Also, verify you're signed into the right profile and that you have the necessary permissions. That's it. You've navigated to Meta Business Suite, opened Settings, gone to Pages, and used Add to create a new page. From here, you can customize your profile and cover images, add your description, and set up messaging preferences to start engaging your audience.